Hello, Pioneer Field Agronomist Aaron Vammer. I just want to take a minute to show you how to use the digital tag scanner within the Pioneer Seeds app. It's an extremely useful tool to use during the planting season. So to enter that tool, go ahead and enter the Pioneer Seeds app. That brings you to your main operation page where you can see your field by field plans for the 2020 season. At the bottom, you see the My Fields tab, the Yield Estimation tab, and the Product Tools tab. Go ahead and tap on Product Tools. That brings you to this page where you can see the planting rate estimator, which provides different population recommendations for our different hybrids. You can also see the digital tag scanner there. Go ahead and select Scan New Batch ID. And that brings up this handy little barcode scanner that allows you to scan the seed tag on any Pioneer Pro box or seed bag. So go ahead and scan that barcode there on your seed tag. And that brings up this product details screen here. And based on your hybrid and your batch number, it gives you different recommendations as far as planter settings. It will provide you with the recommended vacuum pressures to start planting with for that seed size. You can also go ahead and tap on the product profile details tab or button right there. So this brings up the product information for that specific hybrid and batch. You can see your CRM, your silk CRM, your GDUs to silk, and GDUs to physiological maturity. If you scroll down, you can see your characteristic scores for that hybrid. You can also see the disease scores as well. This is basically a seed guide in your pocket. So if you go back to your main screen, the product details screen here, in the upper right hand corner, you can see the share button. If you tap that, you can go ahead and share this information with anybody in your operation via text or email. So it's a pretty useful tool. If you have questions about the Pioneer Seeds app in general, please reach out to your Pioneer sales agent. Thank you.
That concludes this Pioneer Agronomy video podcast. Visit our page on pioneer.com and follow us on Twitter and Facebook for more agronomy insights.